You need high-tech skills or a big budget to explode your YouTube channel's growth. That's dead wrong. If you're not getting views and subscribers, it's not because your editing or your thumbnails are bad. It's because you're not leveraging the right tools to make your channel stand out. That's exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you how this secret AI tool not only makes videos in 5 minutes, but also skyrockets your viewership and engagement. And I know it works because it's the same tool that turned novice creators, who once struggled to hit even 100 views, into YouTube stars with tens of thousands of views per video. Like my client Ben, who had never written a script, created a thumbnail, or even made a YouTube video before. And now using this secret AI tool, he's making hundreds of dollars a month from AdSense. It's easier than you think. Today, we're lifting the veil on an AI tool that's rewriting the rules for content creators everywhere. Think it's impossible to catapult your channel from being a punchline to a headline? Guess again. This isn't a fairy tale, it's the edge you've been missing. Let's dive into the world of tube magic, the brainchild of YouTube maestro Matt Parr, whose Midas touch has turned not one, but 12 channels into gold, raking in nearly $200,000 per month. This tool isn't just another run-of-the-mill software. It's like having Matt himself guiding you through the maze of content creation. Struggling with topic selection, script writing, and SEO can feel like a mountain of hurdles. But with Tube Magic, you're not just climbing that mountain, you're flying over it. It's your secret sauce for hitting those YouTube milestones. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, I've coupled Tube Magic with another groundbreaking AI to supercharge your content creation like never before. Ready to see how this dynamic duo will transform your video creation from mundane to magnificent? Tube Magic is the rocket fuel that can launch your YouTube channel into the stratosphere. Let's get into it. Tube Magic simplifies content creation, starting with a deep dive into your competition. It dishes out top-notch video ideas that perfectly align with the topics your audience craves. Its title ideas feature is like a goldmine for SEO-rich, click-worthy titles. And it doesn't end there. The AI video script writer turns your rough ideas into polished scripts, ready to captivate and engage. To keep the conversation flowing, the community post writing feature helps you craft interactive posts, keeping your audience hooked between videos. The script writer allows you to pick a template, select your script length, write your scripts, and save them so they're organized and at your fingertips, always ready for action. By smoothing out these steps, Tube Magic doesn't just amplify your productivity, it elevates your creative game. But we're not stopping there. Imagine merging Tube Magic's streamlined workflow with the power to turn stories into visual feasts. Enter Pictory, your ally in transforming scripts into unforgettable visual narratives. Creating visually compelling content is crucial, but it doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Pictory stands at the ready to fuse your scripts with breathtaking visuals, ensuring your message isn't just heard, but felt and remembered. With Pictory, you're not just making videos, you're crafting memorable experiences. Let's see how it brings your visions to life. Creating the video. Here's how you turn those brilliant video concepts into reality, minus the headache of traditional video production. With Pictory, transforming your Tube Magic scripts into captivating videos is a breeze. If you're navigating the video creation world for the first time or seeking a smoother path, you're in the right place. Use the link in the description to try Pictory for free. Copy your Tube Magic script and paste it into Pictory. Pictory's AI then distills your script to its essence, spotlighting the keywords in your script. And next, Pictory's AI sifts through an extensive library of visuals, selecting those that best complement your message. And if the automated pics don't quite hit the mark, you're free to swap them out or upload your own, granting you full creative control. The final touches, music and voiceover, breathe life into your video. Pictory proposes soundtracks and offers AI voices, including premium 11 Labs voices. Yet you're welcome to use your own music or voiceovers. To make the video unmistakably yours, tailor it with themes that reflect your brand, complete with animations and your logo. A preview function lets you fine-tune until everything is just right. Happy with the result? A single click and your video is ready to dazzle your audience. Pictory, in tandem with your Tube Magic script, makes professional, engaging video creation a walk in the park. Title, description, and tags. Congratulations, you've crafted an outstanding video with Pictory, but there's more to the journey. Launching your masterpiece on YouTube and grabbing the spotlight requires a few more steps, streamlined by Tube Magic's Warp Upload Optimizer. Let's navigate the leap from video creation to viral sensation. Uploading your video might seem straightforward, but the real magic, pun intended, lies in optimization. But how do we streamline this crucial step? The journey from upload to optimization is full of uncertainty. Many creators hit public and cross their fingers, overlooking the golden opportunity to shine. With 500 hours of content uploaded to YouTube every minute, your video could easily drown in the digital deluge without the right optimization. This gap between upload and optimization can make or break your video's success. TubeMagic's Warp Upload Optimizer is the bridge over these troubled waters. Begin by uploading your video as unlisted to YouTube Studio, copying the link, and pasting it into the optimizer. Then, let TubeMagic do its thing, recommending an optimized title, description, and tags, all tailored for YouTube's algorithm. While TubeMagic hones your video's metadata for peak performance, remember, thumbnails are your first impression. Since TubeMagic doesn't tackle thumbnails, you'll want to craft one that captures the essence of your video. Once your thumbnail is ready, pair it with your optimized video details in YouTube Studio. With TubeMagic's optimization wizardry, you're not just enhancing visibility, you're setting the stage for YouTube success. The right tools can transform your content from hidden gem to headline act. You've witnessed the transformative might of TubeMagic and how it can catapult your YouTube channel to stardom. Now you're probably wondering about the cost. Great news! TubeMagic combines premium video optimization and content creation with affordability. And here's a sweetener, a special deal just for you. Weighing cost against benefits is natural, especially when eyeing tools that promise a content creation revolution. The real challenge for creators isn't just finding potent tools, it's finding them at a price that doesn't break the bank. But TubeMagic changes the game. At $47 per month, its suite of features delivers unbeatable value. And here's the clincher. With the Debt Busters discount, you're looking at a 20% price cut, making this invaluable tool even more affordable. By clicking my link in the description, you're investing wisely in your content strategy. Pairing TubeMagic with Pictory not only saves you time, but also elevates your video quality, potentially boosting your earnings. Considering the time saved and the leap in video quality, choosing TubeMagic is more than smart. It's essential for those serious about their YouTube journey. Exploring TubeMagic's capabilities puts you on the path to a stronger YouTube presence. But imagine if there was a niche within YouTube Shorts that made content creation even simpler, without ever needing to show your face or use your voice. The idea of jumping into YouTube Shorts might seem daunting, especially if you're camera shy or microphone averse. Yet there's a niche that's ripe for the taking, one that's incredibly accessible for beginners. Many creators get stuck in a rut, struggling for ideas or battling on camera jitters, missing out on a huge audience ready for fresh content. If this resonates with you, hit up our video. I found the easiest YouTube Shorts niche without showing your face or using your voice. We'll walk you through everything you need to know to start churning out engaging shorts. No camera or microphone required.